What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Poshmark and I'm gonna be showing you how to change your shipping address, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. We are posting 20 plus tutorials every day, so make sure to check them out. And if you do need any additional help and we did not cover it, make sure to write that down in the comments. So back to the topic, how to change your address on Poshmark. So if you're using the app on your mobile phone, you need to go to your account tab, which is the username. Then select My Addresses. Besides your current address, select Change, and basically if there are no addresses in the file, select Default Shipping Address or Add a Default Return Address. Then select Edit or to edit an address, or select Add Address to enter a new address, and basically select Done, and that's the entirety of the process in the application. But if you're using the web browser as I am, you need to select your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select Account Settings, and then from the left hand menu select My Addresses. After it, select Change, and basically if there are no addresses in the file, select Add Address to add your address. Then select Edit to edit an address, or select Add Address to enter a new one, and basically select Done. So what you want to do is go to the upper right corner over here, go to account settings and find basically My Addresses, which are on the left hand menu. So hopefully guys this video was helpful to you, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.